friends, welcome to the WizBiz Talks of Rotary District 3141. I am your host Dr. Manish Motwani, a weight loss surgeon and also the Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in 2021. WizBiz Talks is a unique and hot from oven initiative, a brainchild of District Governor 2021 Sunil Mehra. WizBiz Talks is also an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached some important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more to make a difference in the community. Friends, we have a very special guest today on our talk show, The WizBiz Talks. Rotarian Mihir Mehta, past president of Rotary Club of Bombay Queen City. Since he has a 29 years experience in Rotary, was president during the governorship of past district governor Nitin Mangaldas. By classification, he is into manufacturing of textiles, soft focused, commitment driven. He is the vice president of Sasmira Institute, past president and trustee of Vanita Vishram and trustee of Khar Education Society and Public School too. Friends, with this small introduction, I present before you a very close friend and a very idealistic person that I have found in Rotary, none other than Rotarian Mihir Mehta.
Thank you, Manish. Thanks for the introduction. It was very heart-filling, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Mihir, for making your presence over here today. Now, we have met a couple of times, in fact, so many times in the Rotary field, we have met so many times otherwise, so many places otherwise too. But there are so many other people today who would like to know something more about you, even on your personal front.
Personally, as Manish just mentioned, my Rotary career is from the last 29 years. I've been a charter member of Rotary Club of Bombay Queen City, and with God's grace, our club is now more than 120 members plus, and very dynamic, very much a leading club of the district, very much a leading club in TRF avenues also, as well as in community service avenues. And the beauty and of our club is the bonding is tremendous. It's like a second family to all of us, and the bonding with the members and the spouses and the immediate family is also very, very great. So any call for any community service activity is immediately taken to heart by all members concerned, and lots and lots of huge projects, including large matching round projects also. In fact, this year we are doing 3 large matching round projects. We are also leading club in Bhavishyayan. We are also leading club for our Phoenix Mega Health Camp. We also are one of the leading clubs for the Nehru Science Center quiz. We have run our own dispensary and community centers, cataract surgery, pediatric surgery, heart surgery, liver treatment diseases, and you name it. We also have adopted a municipal school called the Bananga Municipal School. Coincidentally, the adoption was done during my tenure. There's been a continuous process throughout, and we are very closely associated with the school. And we run Bhavishyayan there also, as well as at Baradevi Municipal School at Sivri, where huge number of students are benefited. And we've seen the progress in the students. Once the students complete the program and pass out, you will not be able to distinguish between a municipal school student and an ICSE school student. It's a challenge that we have encountered, and we have found that these students are far better, in fact, than your normal private school students.
This is great to hear. You all have been doing some outstanding job in Rotary, and Rotary Club of Bombay Queen City is one of the most premier and one of the most distinguished clubs in District 3141. So this is good to know about something about you and your club and the type of projects that you have been associated with in the past. I would like to know something about you even on your work front, and what do you do, your business, your profession, what are you into? If you could tell in short in 2-3 sentences about your work.
I am a textile professional, and we have our own textile mills in Bombay. I'm on the board of 3 other textile companies, which are leading companies in the field of fabrics, technical textiles, and lingerie. We have our own manufacturing facilities, garmenting facilities, and processing factories. Simultaneously, I am as I told you, I was Vice President of SASMIRA, which is our research and education institute of our man-made textile industry. I'm also Vice Chairman of our association, TASMA, and Vice Chairman of our Federation of Weaving Industry. This is on the textile front. We are also leading suppliers of very sophisticated equipment to most real estate companies pan India. And we work with the best giants, our multinational companies, and have manufacturing plants here in India. We are the largest supplier of car parking systems, for example, where we have a collaboration with a German company called WOHR, WOHR Parking from Stuttgart, Germany. We are also into LEDs, LCDs, where we tied up with Luca. We're also into bathroom fittings, where we tied up with another German company called Eisenberg, and quite a few more in our belt. We export a lot of yarns and cotton textiles also to various European and Far East Asian countries.
Fantastic.
I think more or less. On the social side, I'm a trustee on various temple boards and hospital boards. I'm a trustee with Mumbadevi Temple, which is the pioneering deity of Mumbai. In fact, Mumbai got the name after Mumbadevi. If you, just for your general information, very old temple trust and very respected and temple trust for Mumbai city. I'm also on the board of another 2-3 temples and hospitals, People's Mobile Hospital at Worli, and on the advisory committee of Hedgewar Hospital, Aurangabad, the Mumbai committee.
Fantastic.
Simultaneously, I'm also a founder member of National Liver Foundation, and we are doing some yeoman work for liver diseases and liver transplants. You as a doctor would be aware of the dire need and necessity of liver problems in the city of Mumbai, and the desperation that patients and their families have when there's a case of liver failure. And we try and help in our own small way through our sources and through our associates to take care of or assist people who need.
Fantastic. So much to know about a person who is amongst us, and we never knew that you had such big credentials for yourself. Mihir, you are taking up a very important position in the year 2021, and we were more than happy to offer it to you. You are the district project director for Major Avenue. I would like you to tell people, everyone who's going to be listening to you today, that what are you in charge of and what are your plans for the same?
Sunil Mehra, DG Sunil Mehra, and I got discussing, and he asked me, what are you interested in? I said, education is a passion with me. So immediately he wrote me in, and I'm now avenue head for Shiksha Aadhar. Shiksha Aadhar is a new avenue generated this year, where the thought process is, okay, what can we do for education per se for the economically weaker sections of society? How can we technically help them through multimedia or electronic media issues? How can we support education per se in either municipal schools or even smaller schools or community schools where education per se is suffering because of, particularly so now because of COVID, and where classes are not being held. So we are trying to look at, and we have focused a plan to look at and see that affordable education through electronic digital media and the best of the affordable education. It could be not only the curriculum of the board concerned, the SSC board perhaps, but also some educational curriculum which could make students employment capable, or communication skill capable, or English speaking capable. Coincidentally, he's also roped me in as Avenue Chair for Bhavishya Yan. And Bhavishya Yan, as you all know, is the flagship, has been the flagship project of Rotary, and almost 11-12 projects are currently on in various municipal schools through the support of various clubs. It was pioneered by Rotary Club Bombay. Our club, as I told you, is already is also doing 2 schools in the Bhavishya Yan project. So there also, it's again through multimedia, and it's supported by Rotary for 7th, 8th, and 9th standard students to see that they become not only general knowledge focused, but also the communication skills are so very good. English speaking, computer knowledge, literacy, as well as educational skills. That once they approach for the SSC board, they are they've grown perhaps by 500% of what they previously were. And these are the credentials of Rotary. And Rotary is one of the strong reasons why students of municipal schools are very, very successful. And thanks to Rotary that this project has continued.
This is excellent, and I'm sure that your experience with Bhavishyayan is going to play wonders in both the projects, Bhavishyayan as well as Shiksha Aadhar. Here you have been a very open and transparent person. You have let us know a lot about yourself, your work in Rotary, what your club does. I'm very happy that we had the privilege of having you with us today, and it's really something nice that you could take out time to come for this interview, for this Biz Talks. We are really happy to have you here. Thank you so much for your presence. I hope you liked it too. And this video would be going to possibly all the current presidents, incoming presidents, all Rotarians of District 3141, Rotarians of District 3142, and also Rotarians, non-Rotarians too. You never know, someone might come up to you and ask you for your guidance because you have done so much work and have got so much experience. I'm sure it will come out handy to support others too. Thank you so much, Miguel.
Thank you, Manish. And a message to all the Rotarians there. The district team is very much there to support you. The district team is very much there to back you up for all endeavors required. So please feel free to be in touch. We are available for you 24/7. We have a focused district team consisting of various academics and people of high experience and high caliber, and we'll be there always to support you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.